Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show make a parts in SolidWorks. My Facebook friend request to is a university student foreign country. Today I am going to show. First of all, open the SolidWorks software. Then go to File, select New, and select Part and select OK. Now I am going to select top plane and sketch. Now draw the circle. Draw the circle from origin. Three circle draw here. Now give the dimension this circle 160.47. Okay. Now this circle dimension 110 and this circle dimension 70. This circle dimension 70. Okay. Now again draw the hair three circle. Okay. Now give the dimension this circle 80 and this circle dimension 60. 60. 60. Now this circle dimension 40. Okay. Now go to 3-point arc. Now hair select and hair select. Okay. These are control this circle tangent and this circle control this circle tangent. Now delete the horizontal sign. Now give the below 90. Okay. Now again draw the hair three circle. Now give the below 80 and 40 and 20. Now I am going to select again R, hair select and hair. These are control this circle tangent. Again this circle are control this circle tangent. Now give the arc radius 135. Okay. Now again draw the arc here. Three-point arc select. Select. These are control this circle tangent. These are control this circle tangent. Okay. Now these are radius 133. Okay. Now this point and this point distance horizontally 70. Okay. Now this point and this point distance 75. Okay. Now this point control this point horizontal. Okay. Now this point and this point distance 100. This point and this point distance control Z. Now just move here. Okay, control Z. This horizontal delete. Now this point and this point 100. Okay. Now select. You just move here. This point control this point horizontal. Horizontal not possible. You can give the another dimension. Now this point and this point distance 200. Okay. Select. Now go to offset. Now here offset 30. You undo select chain. This line offset 30. Okay. Again here offset. This line of this arc offset. Okay. Again here this circle offset. Okay. Offset this arc. Okay. Offset this circle. Okay. Offset this circle. Reverse. Okay. Okay. Now go to trim, cut hair and hair cut. Now cut hair, cut hair, cut hair, 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 hair cut this, cut this, cut, cut this cut, this cut, Control Z. Now go to again trim here, cut, cut, cut here, cut here. Okay, now this select delete. Now these are select delete. Okay. Now give the this arc and this arc distance 30. Okay. Now here this arc and this arc 30. Okay. Select. These are control, these are concentric. These are control, these are concentric. Distance 30. Okay. These are control, these are concentric. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now here extrude. Now here extrude this extrude. Now you can here trim this line. Now this line trim. Okay. Now this line trim. You can this line here cut. Now this line trim. Okay. Okay. Now go to again normal plane. I'm going to just edit dimension. Delete. Shift. Select here and here 30. 30. Now here again distance. Shift here and here 30. Again here delete. Shift here 30. Okay. Now shift this arc and this circle 30. Okay, now everything is okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now here extrude 20. Okay. Now go to here again. This is case extrude. Now here select and here and here. Now direction here, direction 1 give the value 75. Now go to direction 2. Now here below 10. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now here you can fillet something. 1 and here fillet and here and here. Now go to backside. Select here and here, here. and select hair. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now here select plain white. Now here select shaded. Now go to appearance, metal select. Now select here, metal. Now here select cast lead. Okay. Go to isometric view, make our job. Thank you all, everyone share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box.